here we have the stock picks for the week. 3 plus 1 4. Let's begin the first one. The National Aluminium Company Limited. It's a public sector enterprise, Navratna company with very good dividend. That's a fundamental side of it, but we're not much interested in that. What we're studying is the technical charts, and here we have a flag breakout that's happening here. Momentum has climbed to the bullish zones above 16 RSI, and you have the trend indicator ADX, which is in the Demat Account zones, and the trend strength is increasing. The volumes are very good, big volumes. It's a breakout of a flag pattern, and you could go for a RiskReward of 1:2 at least, right? And that's one of them. It's a long trade. Second one is Tata Chemicals. Tata Chemicals. Let's look at the charts and try to understand. Here we have it sideways. It was, right? We can see that the price is moving up, down, all within a range, right? A range of probably 300 points or something. And there is a possibility that it can break out from here now that it has reached the top of that almost. Previously also breakout happened, but the candle did not close green above that consolidation neckline. We don't know whether it will happen this time also, but we're just hoping that this breakout may happen. We don't know. Look at the volumes. Volumes are also seeing a green above moving average, and the consolidation breakout potential. So enter only at the when you get the confirmation of a move above this week's candle's high, and have tight stop losses at this week's candles open, right? Very tight. So if the neckline is breached and it closes at this 1140 level, then get out. Otherwise, you can expect it to move at least to the previous all-time high. You can go further as well. The target, the 300 points up move from here, which would mean that it can go up to 2,500. But you can trail after you have met your target of 1:2. The reason is the RSI momentum is rising up, and the trend indicator also it exists. They are my positive with increasing trend strength as per the ADX positive, right? That's about Tata Chemicals. And third one is Exide Industries. It's a battery company that we all know about, and this is also a long call because it had a big rounding pattern breakout, and now there is a parallel channel which is part of a flag. It's a flag breakout. Reasonable score of -2 we can get 1:1.5, not 1:2, right? Flag breakout target is that. Upside stop losses almost near to the low of this week's candle low. Volumes are good enough, not that bad, just above the moving averages, so that's good actually. Momentum also resonant climbed back to the RSI above 40, which is the bullish zones. Trend also has closed off the bullish zones now, but the strength is not that great, so have very tight stop losses. Even more tighter if you want, you can do that, right? Basically the moment you see that this breakout has failed, once it has fallen back and closed inside this flag, that means you have to get out. So you don't need to wait till 472. You can even get out before that if you get a close before that. Because what we're trading is the pattern. If the pattern fails, get out. So volume is good, trend is good, but not good enough. But momentum is good, pattern is also very good. RiskReward is 1:2, 1.5. It's Exide Industries. So the fourth one is a short trade that's in IndusInd Bank. IndusInd Bank is a very good bank fundamentally and all that, but the charts are saying this is an opportunity on the short side, go for it. This is a short trade, very short trade with a very tight stop loss. Stop loss would be the low of this week's candle high, and basically we are hoping that it will at least go somewhere down towards the support zones that will be in confluence with the parallel channels bottom. And very low risk reward is 1:1.5. Volumes are not above moving average, so big selling has not happened, but the expectation is that it will find a support. If it doesn't find, then well and good, it can trail profits. But a short trade, very small tight stop loss short trade, because of the reason that momentum has fallen to the bear zones, right? And expectation that it will continue to fall, and trend has crossed over to the bear zones as per the ADX, and the strength of that fall is increasing as it has taken a bend and rising up, right? Volumes are also reasonably good. So that's a short trade on IndusInd Bank, right? So that's all. Those are the 4 picks. These are not for trading recommendation. These are educational purpose only. Thanks for watching. Happy trading, happy learning, happy investing. Bye bye.